One of the questions that I'm asked most often is, what do I have to tell a police officer? There are two answers to this question. One of them's a strictly legal answer. The other one's a commonsensical answer. In a strictly legal sense, the only things that you have to tell a police officer are your name, your date of birth, and your address. This applies in virtually every common law country. It is a statutorily defined requirement. However, the common sense answer to the question of what do I have to tell a police officer is that you provide an answer to any question that's asked. You mightn't provide information, but you provide a polite answer. You say, yes, sir. No, sir. I don't know, sir. I wasn't there, sir. Be polite, but be unable to help. In these circumstances, the police officer will invariably just move on to try and find someone who can help. If you refuse to answer a question, then suddenly you will become the focus of the investigation. Suddenly, the police officer's mind will turn from the investigation at hand to the individual who's being a hassle in front of them. Further, on the internet, I've noted that there's a fantasy land proposition going about the place that if you refuse to provide a police officer with your name, provide the courts with your name, then suddenly, magically, you will be safe from legal imposition. In a word, this is bullshit. It is very, very bad advice. When you're in a passing encounter with Mr. Policeman, your ambition is to make sure that the policeman dismisses you as being unhelpful and moves on. As soon as you start refusing to answer questions, then the policeman focuses on you. So, what do I have to tell a policeman? Very little, but I'm going to do it in a very polite manner. Tell them your name, your date of birth, place of residence, and then it's very likely that you'll be able to go home to that place of residence and not spend the night in a cell.